Hey everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc. Today we're diving into an interesting topic, how to hide apps on your Macbook desktop. Whether you're trying to keep your desktop clean or want to make certain apps less visible, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Now, hiding apps can mean different things depending on what you're trying to achieve. If you want someone else to use your computer without seeing your apps, the best solution is to set up a different user profile. You can do this in the system preferences under the users and groups section. By creating a new user profile, their desktop will appear brand new with only the default apps and files. But if you have shortcuts or links to applications on your desktop and want to remove them, you can do that too. Simply drag the app icon to the trash and the link will be removed from your desktop. This won't delete the application itself, just the shortcut. Alternatively, you can right-click on the app icon and select Move to Trash. Once you've done that, you can empty the trash to permanently remove the shortcut. Keep in mind that the application is still installed on your Mac. If you want to completely uninstall the app, open Finder, go to the application section in the left panel, find the app, and drag it to the trash. This will permanently delete the app from your system. Remember, these steps will help you keep your desktop clean and organized, but they don't uninstall the apps unless you specifically remove them from the applications folder. If you had something else in mind, or if you have any other questions about managing your apps on a MacBook, please let me know in the comments below. Either I or someone else in the Foxtecc community will be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, peace.